Every day, remind yourself of this powerful affirmation: I am capable of achieving my dreams. This statement isn't just words, it's a declaration of your potential and a call to believe in yourself. Often, we let self-doubt creep in, especially when faced with challenges. However, it's crucial to recognize that you have the skills and resilience necessary to turn your aspirations into reality. Think back to moments in your life where you overcame obstacles. Each success, no matter how small, proves your capabilities. When you genuinely believe in yourself, you open doors to new opportunities and fuel your motivation to take action. Remember, challenges are not roadblocks but stepping stones that contribute to your growth. So, when difficulties arise, repeat this affirmation to yourself: I am capable of achieving my dreams. Ask yourself what you can learn from each setback, shifting your mindset from defeat to opportunity. To manifest your dreams, set clear, achievable goals and break them into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate each milestone, and consider keeping a journal to track your progress. Visualization can also be a powerful tool. Take a few moments each day to picture yourself living your dream, embracing the joy and fulfillment that comes with it. As you navigate your journey, hold on to this affirmation, surround yourself with positivity, and remember that you are deserving of success. Your dreams are within reach, you just need to believe in your own capabilities and take the steps necessary to bring them to life.